Hi friends, welcome back! Are you ready to move, dance, and learn your ABCs? Let's start with a fun ABC. Warm-up dance, then learn letters with bingo, dinosaur, and shark. Let's go! Clap, clap, clap your hands with me. Jump, jump, jump around, happy as can be. Baby! ABC, sing with me. ABC, happily dance, dance, move your feet. ABC is so much fun. Clap, clap, clap your hands, stomp your feet. 1, 2, turn around and smile wide. ABC for you. Let's go! ABC, sing with me. ABC, happily dance, dance, move your feet. ABC is so much fun. Shake, shake, shake your body, jump up nice and high. Wave hello and laugh out loud. ABC, let's try. ABC, sing with me. ABC, happily dance, dance, move your feet. ABC is so much fun. Great dancing! Now let's learn our ABCs with Little Dinosaur. Bingo on shark! A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet A. Hip hip hooray! A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet B. B. Bounce along with me. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet C. C. Clap along with glee. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet D. Dance and play with me. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet E. Everyone can see. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet F. Fun and feeling free. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet G. Jiggle happily. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet H. Hip hooray today. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet I. Jump up high. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet J. Jump and play. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet K. Kick away. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet L. Laugh and yell. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet M. Move along with me. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet N. Nod again. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet O. Open and go. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet P. Pop along with glee. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet Q. Quick and true. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet R. Roar out loud. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet S. Slide along with ease. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet T. Tap your knee. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet U. Up we go. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet V. Very free. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet W. Wiggle too. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet X. Extra fun. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet Y. Yay so high. A little dinosaur teaching us alphabet Z. Zoom along with me. Let's learn and have fun together. A is happy, waving from the left. Shark swims and shows its best. B is smiling, shining bright and true. Shark dances next to it too. C is cheerful with eyes open wide. Shark swims along the side. sea shark glides so happily. G is grinning, spinning through the sand. Shark swims and waves its hand. H is happy, splashing with delight. Shark blows bubbles left and right. How high? I is inviting, smiling in the sea. Shark waves and swims with glee. J is jumping, doing loops and spins. Shark flips with playful grins. K is kind, twirling in the blue. Shark swirls with joy too. L is lively, swimming in a swirl. Shark spins and leaps with a twirl. M is moving with a happy face. Shark glides in joyful space. N is nice, playing with bubbles around. Shark swims happily up and down. O is open, smiling at the sea. Shark circles joyfully. P is playful, moving here and there. Shark swims without a care. Q is quiet, drifting through the sand. Shark floats and waves its hand. R is radiant, blowing bubbles wide. Shark swims happily beside. S is smiling, swinging tail with glee. Shark dances playfully in the sea. T is twirling, proud and feeling bright. Shark swims with pure delight. U is unique, drifting soft and slow. Shark glides where sea currents go. V is vibrant, spinning through the waves. Shark dances as the ocean paves. W is waving, floating happily near. Shark swims with a joyful cheer. X is exciting, twirling through the sand. Shark spins and swims so grand. Y is yawning, smiling in the blue. Shark drifts gently passing through. Z is zipping, happy as can be. Shark swims underwater with glee. A is happy, waving from the left. Bingo dog sits happily on the farm. B is smiling, shining bright and true. Bingo dog wags tail with happy expression. C is cheerful with eyes open wide. Bingo dog jumps playfully on the farm. D is dancing with a happy face. Bingo dog runs happily through farm grass. E is excited, bubbles float around. Bingo dog rolls on green farm grass. F is funny, smiling in the sea. Bingo dog sits with happy eyes on the farm. G is grinning, spinning through the sand. Bingo dog wags tail near farm animals. H is happy, splashing with delight. Bingo dog sniffs flowers on the farm. I is inviting, smiling in the sea. Bingo dog looks curiously at farm animals. J is jumping, doing loops and spins. Bingo dog runs happily through farm flowers. K is kind, twirling in the blue. Bingo dog plays near a farm fence. L is lively, swimming in a swirl. Bingo dog wags tail near a barn. M is moving with a happy face. Bingo dog chases butterflies over farm grass. N is nice, playing with bubbles around. Bingo dog jumps over hay bales on farm. O is open, smiling at the sea. Bingo dog sniffs flowers happily. P is playful, moving here and there. Bingo dog rolls joyfully on green grass. Q is quiet, drifting through the sand. Bingo dog plays near a farm pond. R is radiant, blowing bubbles wide. Bingo dog wags tail with happy expression. S is smiling, swinging tail with glee. Bingo dog sits beside a colorful farm fence. T is twirling, proud and feeling bright. Bingo dog sniffs flowers near barn. U is unique, drifting soft and slow. Bingo dog runs through farm grass. V is vibrant, spinning through the waves. Bingo dog jumps playfully on farm field. W is waving, floating happily near. Bingo dog wags tail near farm animals. X is exciting, twirling through the sand. Bingo dog runs happily over green grass. Y is yawning, smiling in the blue. Bingo dog sniffs farm flowers. Z is zipping, happy as can be. Bingo dog sits happily near a colorful barn. Amazing job, friends! You danced, learned, and sang your ABCs today. Keep practicing your letters every day. Don't forget subscribe.